Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are delving into the details of NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.89. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -5.24%. This amounts to an average loss of -0.37% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -14.52% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -37.22% to -6.31%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -13.05%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -28.83% and 56.84% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $2.58 and $5.68. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price down 3.21% on Thursday. The NIO stock price fell by 3.21% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. The price dropped from $3.74 to $3.62. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.22%, reaching a low of $3.61 and a high of $3.69. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.63% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased, which is considered a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock trend. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 9 million shares, with a total of 21 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $77,004,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the stock price is 53.05%, or $4.09 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 94.6%, or $63.37, below the all-time high of $66.99, achieved on the 11th of January, 2021. NIO Inc. continues to navigate a complex landscape as its stock faces pressure from tariff-driven volatility and competition in the Chinese electric vehicle market. Despite reporting strong delivery growth, with 42,094 vehicles in the first quarter, a 4.1% year-over-year increase, NIO's financials reflect significant challenges as operating losses widen by 19% year-over-year. This raises concerns about the potential for future equity dilution amidst unfulfilled profit expectations. The company remains well-positioned with its Onvo and Firefly brands, driving optimism about year-over-year delivery growth for the second quarter. However, the substantial operating losses signal a need for tighter cost management. NIO's low price-to-sales ratio suggests that the stock might be undervalued relative to its peers, indicating potential upside if profitability can be improved. Technically, recent price action shows that a bullish breakout might be on the horizon, although cumulative losses of 17.4% this year signal ongoing investor caution. In the short term, trading will likely hinge on market sentiment and management's ability to execute on its aggressive growth plans and manage research and development expenses effectively. Long term, if NIO can stabilize its finances and leverage its battery swapping technology, it could recover and thrive in the expanding electric vehicle market. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding the return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $3.68 and $3.89. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025. And thus far, the stock has declined by 16.01%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as the MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 33 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.52, which may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support level is tested. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 8 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.22%. In the past week, the stock exhibited daily average volatility of 3.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might signal inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 47 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.52. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources indicates a recommendation to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock remains unfavorable. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of June, we expect NIO to open higher by 2 cents, starting at $3.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.